In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use fixed values for y-axis in Power BI. If you've ever had a chart jump around when your data updates, or you're trying to compare visuals across pages and want them to use the same scale, fixing the y-axis is a simple tweak that makes your reports clearer and more consistent. Start by clicking the visual whose y-axis you want to control. This could be a column chart, line chart, or any visual that uses a y-axis. Once the visual is selected, you'll see its formatting options appear in the Visualizations pane on the right. That tells Power BI you're working on this specific visual and exposes all of its customizable settings. Open the Formatting options and go to the Visual tab for this chart. In that area, look for the section labeled Y-axis and expand it. Inside the Y-axis settings, you'll find the range controls. By default, Power BI sets the range to Auto. Auto means Power BI is scanning your data and automatically choosing the minimum and maximum values for the y-axis based on what's currently visible. This is convenient for quick exploration, but it can cause the scale to change as your data changes, which may make comparisons inconsistent. To set fixed values, change the range from Auto. Turn off the automatic behavior, and you'll see fields where you can enter a minimum and a maximum. Type the exact numbers you want to lock in. For example, if you always want the scale to run from 0 to a known upper bound, enter 0 for the minimum and your chosen top value for the maximum. As soon as you confirm those values, the visual will redraw using your fixed scale. A few tips as you do this. Pick a range that fully includes your data so you don't accidentally clip high or low points. If the chart looks cut off, increase the maximum or lower the minimum. If your metric should start from 0 for a fair comparison, include 0 in your minimum. If the visual looks too flat because the range is too wide, tighten it carefully without misrepresenting differences. Remember that fixed axes apply per visual, so repeat this process for other charts where you want a consistent scale. And if you ever need to go back to dynamic scaling, simply switch the range back to Auto. That's all there is to it. By setting a fixed y-axis, you take control of your chart scale, making your Power BI reports easier to read and more reliable for comparisons.